What's up people, I'm Hodler Boy, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I want to talk about none other than MultiversX, previously known as Elrond. This is another great project not many people are talking about. However, I am super bullish on this project and believe we will get some new all-time highs in the next cycle. I currently have a decent bag of this project at the moment, but given the scarcity and the top level tech for this coin, I'm always looking to kind of DCA into this project on dip days. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So as I mentioned before, MultiversX, previously known as Elrond, we rebranded to MultiversX back in November 2022. Now, what is MultiversX? So MultiversX is a high throughput public blockchain aimed at providing security, efficiency, scalability, and interoperability beyond the current state of the art. So the two most important features that MultiversX apart are the adaptive state sharding and the secure proof of stake consensus mechanism. So MultiversX is a complete redesign of blockchain architect with the aim to achieve global scalability and near instant transaction speed. MultiversX architecture rests on the following key innovations. So guys, we'll have a quick look at the website in a second. I just want to basically just explain the adaptive state sharding that they currently use. So it kind of breaks down into 6 different areas. So adaptive state sharding on all levels basically is like transactions, data and network. The dynamically adaptive sharding mechanism will perform sharding merging and shard splitting while taking into consideration both number of available validator nodes and also the network usage. Secondly, secure proof of stake consensus completed in just 2 communication steps using modified Bonillin Sachem, which is BLS, multi-signatures among the validators of the node, the consensus group, should I say. Moreover, nodes inside the shard are randomly sort of selected for the consensus group with no possibility of knowing the group composition more than 1 round in advance. Thirdly, highly resilience to malicious attacks due to the periodical node reshuffling across the shards. Secure randomness source with the BLS signing, which takes it non-biasable and unpredictable. MultiversX, the WASM, which is VM, which is basically an exceptionally fast virtual machine for executing smart contracts, written in any programming language that can complete to WebAssembly. And 6 is the smart contracts on a sharded state architecture with balanced load on shards. This is a requirement for high throughput blockchain platform, balancing smart contracts across shards, which allows MultiversX to run multiple SCs in parallel, while the cross-shard calls are handled by cross-shard execution process. And as a final tip over the 6 is fast finality for cross-shard transaction in mere seconds. Having a very high TPS is required for high throughput blockchain solutions, but TPS is only half the picture. Fast finality for cross-shard transactions is of crucial importance. Most existing state-of-the-art blockchain architecture architectures refuse to mention this aspect, but from a user standpoint, it is extremely important, and fast cross-shard finality is naturally handled by MultiversX at the protocol level using a dispatching algorithm and a routing protocol, basically. So that was just to give you some insight in terms of their processes, their sharding system that they use. And let's have a quick look at their website now, guys. So scale across the multiverse, build new apps, new economies, and new worlds. As you can see here, it has a large amount of total transactions. Validator nodes is 3,200, which is great, and it's fully carbon neutral, so it's all green. MultiversX is a highly scalable, secure, and decentralized blockchain network created to enable radically new applications for users, businesses, society, and the new metaverse frontier. There's a little video here for you guys as well, so I will leave the link for the website for you guys to go through later on. Opening the metaverse to the world today, and it kind of like breaks down into 3 different areas, which is Fabric, Portal, and Worlds. So Fabric is basically the sovereign blockchain module and core blockchain applications deployable in minutes, fully customizable, including a great set of features and use cases for any creative brand or company. It's pretty cool. And then, as you can see, the portal to the metaverse, the home of your avatar, everything finance, a debit card, friends, chat, and social, accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. And the world's obviously a world creation engine, a network of interoperability or interoperable metaverse, the very first metaverse planet of this new world. That is very cool. The MultiversX is the most advanced blockchain architecture in the world and the most impactful ecosystem spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and the metaverse. So it seems like it does a lot, this project. Wow, this is quite creative. I really like that. Bit of fun on the website. As you can see here, it's got the ecosystem, the crypto payments in a blink of an eye, as they've got their own app as well, just to let you know. So you can obviously, it makes it a lot more easier to kind of, you know, you move your funds from one wallet to another, and, you know, just having that full control, I guess. So EGLD is obviously the token, the native token for this project. Currently in wallets, 2.3 million. Staked is 65%, so well over a half, so which is great. MultiversX is perhaps the most scalable blockchain architecture in the world. Sharding enables scalability beyond 100k TPS. Decentralized and secure. MultiversX is one of the most decentralized blockchain architectures in the world, spreading over 3,200 plus independent nodes distributed around the world. And obviously the list goes on. It gives you further information about their carbon negative as well, so which is great. Furthermore, for you guys to read. As you can see, you know, they are focusing very hard on the protocol, their virtual machines, their framework, their web technology, their foundational apps, unstoppable progress. So it seems like behind the scenes they are continuously working, so which is really, really good, and you know, especially for a project, because definitely, guys, you want to be investing in a project that is working in the background, building in the bear market, or the bear cycle, should I say, building in a bear cycle, and when it comes to the bull cycle, you know, we get to really enjoy the fruits of all of our, you know, investment that we've put in. Obviously, strategic partnership, Visa, and there's a lot for you guys to read and really get some, you know, deep insight from MultiversX. As you can see, there's a ecosystem map. It shows their media partners, their stable coins, DeFi protocols and integrations, metaverse and gaming, their payments, and pretty much all of their partnerships in different areas. Pretty cool. Okay, so it seems like a lot going on here, which is great. Now guys, let's have a quick look at the price action for EGLD. So currently ranked at 48, $35.05 at the moment. The current market cap is 896 million. Fully diluted is 1 billion. Circulating supply is 25.6 million. And the overall max supply is 31.4 million. So guys, the all-time high that is previously hit is 545.64. So $545.64. That is crazy. Now, my opinion, and I believe that EGLD can reach a new all-time high in the next cycle and may potentially hit between sort of $1,000 to $1,500, which means that the market cap will need to be around 38.4 billion. I believe this is achievable, guys. EGLD has top-notch tech. They are scalable. They also use sharding, which ecosystems like Ethereum don't even use, and they want to get to that stage, but they're nowhere near that stage to actually adopt sharding at the moment. They're fully carbon neutral, so they're all green. EGLD, strong community, lots of daily active users, cheap transaction cost, 3,200 validator nodes, should I say, and more than half of the supply is staked, which means a lot of people have faith in this whilst receiving the rewards. I can see this project brewing before it takes off like a rocket. I believe, when the metaverse gaming NFT narrative comes, this project will move like the fastest car you've ever seen, guys. So that's all for today, ladies and gents. Let me know your thoughts on EGLD. If you're buying or if you already have it, hit me up in the comments, smash the like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.